Hello everyone. Welcome to the e-learning platform. This is Garima Srivastav going to start chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Internet. Children, in this chapter we will discuss many topics. Let's see what topics we are going to discuss in this chapter. First topic what we will discuss in this chapter, that is about internet. Second one is uses of the internet. Next topic is basic requirements for an internet connection, and then internet terms. In this topic we will discuss many terms which is directly related to the internet. Next one is about Google Chrome. Let's begin the chapter with the explanation of all these topics. Now, let's see about the first topic, that is about internet. Millions of computers around the world are connected with each other to share information through the internet. The internet stands for International Network. In other words, we can say the internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. And the internet is a worldwide network of computer networks that connects university, government, commercial and other computers in over 150 countries. Using the internet, we can send and receive emails, chat with colleagues around the world, and obtain information on a wide variety of any topic. Now we will see about the next topic, that is uses of the internet. Now we can say that the internet has become an integral part of life. So in every field we are using internet these days. First we can see that it provides information and news on any topics. Then we can buy or sell new and old goods. Then we can perform banking operations. Other than these uses, we can see some more uses of the internet. That is, we can buy airline, railways and movie tickets. Then we can check exam results also. Other than all these uses, some more uses are there which I am going to tell you. Just like if we want to do any research, in that part also we can use the internet. We can download files. In education and self improvement also we are using internet. And then we can play the interactive games also with the use of internet. This way we can see every time we are using the internet. Now we will see about the next topic, that is basic requirements for an internet connection. To connect the computer with the internet, we can have the different hardware and softwares that we can see here. That modem is the basic requirement for the internet connection. Other than modem, we can see here an internet connection, telephone lines, and then web browser is also needed for the basic requirements for the internet. Let's see about the modem. Modem is the modulator demodulator, or simply we can say a modem is a hardware device that converts data from a digital format intended for communication directly between devices with specialized wiring into an suitable for the transmission medium. Or we can say modem is a device that connects the computer with the telephone line. It changes the computer signals so that they can travel through telephone lines. This way we can use modem for the internet connection. Other than this, we can use internet connection, telephone lines and web browser also for the internet connection. Now children, we will see about the next topic, that is about the internet terms. In this internet terms, we have many words which is just directly related to the internet. Let's see, first one is website. Website means the collection of related web pages which is linked to one another. or we can say the information available on the internet is in the form of websites and web pages. As a book contains a number of pages, similarly, a website is a collection of related web pages which is linked to one another. Now, next word which we are using for the internet, that is web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital pages, which is called the web pages. These pages may contain text, graphics, video, audio, and links to the other pages. Now, let's see about the next term which we are using for the internet, that is home page. Children, the main page of any website which contains links to the other pages is called the home page, or we can say the first page of any website is called the home page, and by default it is the first page of every website. We can say like this also, that it is by default first page of every website, that is only home page. Now let's see about the next term, web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that allows us to access the entire information available on the web. We can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar of a web browser. Browsers make it very easy to move from one website to another. Some examples we can see here of web browser, that is Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, Mozilla, Firefox. These are the very common examples of web browser. Now children, we will see about the next term which is used for the internet, that is URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator. The URL should be entered in the address bar of a web browser. Example of URL is www.cartoonnetwork.com. This way we have many examples of URL. So now let's see about the next word which is used for the internet, that is ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you the uses of the internet by paying a monthly fee. It provides software, username, and password to the user in order to get connected to the internet. And some examples of ISP which we can see, that Airtel, Reliance, these are the examples of ISP. Next word which is used for the internet is www. www stands for the World Wide Web. It refers to a network of websites on the internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animation, and videos. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. And one more thing is here, the founder of www, that is World Wide Web, is Tim Berners-Lee. This way children, we can understand about the terms which is used for the internet, and that are very important terms which we are using for the internet. Now next topic what we are going to discuss here, that is about Google Chrome, that is a web browser. As I already told you that Google Chrome is the very important web browser which is used for the internet. This is the use for the internet connection also. So Google Chrome is one of the most popular and widely used web browsers developed by Google. We can open it either by double clicking on its icon on the desktop, or select the start button, then scroll down to Google Chrome. So, other than this, we have many options. When we are opening Google Chrome, we will get many options to use this Google Chrome. Let's see what options we will use by using this Google Chrome. First one is back option, second is forward option, next one is reload this page option, next is bookmark, and then new tab. So we will get these 5 options when we will open Google Chrome, that is a web browser. So let's discuss all these options one by one, for what purpose we are using it. So first one is back option. Clicking on this button, it takes you back to the previous page that you have already visited. As its name back, so it will go at one page back where you have already visited. Next one is forward. Clicking on the forward button will take you to page that you were on before you pressed the back button. To view the next page in a serial order, click on the forward button. Next option is reload this page. Clicking on this button, we will reload the most recent version of the current page. Next option is bookmark. This option allows the user to store and organize the chosen website so that she or he can revisit them anytime whenever needed. Now, next one is new tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a web page in a new tab. You can also open a link in a new tab. Right click on the link and select the open link in new tab option. This way, children, we have completed the chapter. Now at last, recap of the chapter is also given. So you will prepare this chapter very properly. If you will read this recap of the chapter, you will get the summary of the chapter. Thank you.